Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today I am going to start lesson 4, The Prodigal Son. It is a story of a father and his two sons. But before knowing about the story, it is very necessary to know the word meanings of difficult word. So today we are going to learn the word meaning of difficult word. As you can see that on one side I have written the difficult word and the other side I have written the Hindi and English meaning both. So let's start. The first word is prodigal. Prodigal. Prodigal, that means kharchila, that means wastefully. Once again, prodigal, that means kharchila, that means wastefully. Next word is prophet. Prophets. Prophet. That means bhavishya. That means predictor. Once again, prophet. That means bhavishya. That means predictor. Now the next word is parables. 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 That means kahavat. That means spiritual lesson. Once again, parables, that means kahavat, that means spiritual lesson. Next word is heartwarming. 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 That means hardik. That means warm. Once again, heartwarming. That means hardik. That means warm. The next word is belonging. 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 That means sampatti. That means property. Once again, belonging, that means sampatti, that means property. Next word is mounting. 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 That means badte. That means a backing. Now the next word is waved. Waved. Waved means laharaya, that means motion. Once again, waved, that means laharaya, that means motion. Next word is deciding. Deciding. Deciding, that means निर्णय लेने से, that means settle something. Once again, deciding, that means निर्णय लेने से, that means settle something. Now the next word is splendid. 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 That means shandar. That means excellent. Once again, splendid. That means shandar. That means excellent. Next word is feast. 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 That means dawat. That means celebration. Once again, feast, that means dawat, that means celebration. Now the next word is money lenders. Moneylenders. Money lenders. That means sahukar, a person who lend money. Once again, money lenders, that means sahukar, that means a person who lend money. Next word is debts. Debts. Debt, that means rin, that means loan. Once again, debts, that means rin, that means loan. Now the next word is drought. Drought. Drought, that means sukha, that means shortage of water. Once again, drought, that means sukha, that means shortage of water. Next word is starving. Starving. Starving, that means bhook se marna, that means dying from hunger. Once again, starving, that means bhook se marna, that means dying from hunger. Next word is searched. Searched, that means khojna, that means looked for. Once again, searched, that means khojna, that means looked for. Next word is herd. Herd, that means jhund, that means a group of animals. Once again, herd, that means jhund, that means a group of animals. Next word is comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable, that means aramdayak, that means enjoyable. Once again, comfortable, that means aramdayak, that means enjoyable. Next word is worthy. Worthy. Worthy, that means yoga, that means showing the qualities. Once again, worthy, that means that means yogya, that means showing the qualities. Next word is journey, 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 that means yatra, that means travel. Once again, journey means yatra, that means travel. Next word is wage, wage, that means vetan, that means salary. Once again, wage, that means vetan, that means salary. Now next word is barefoot, 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 that means nange pav, that means shoeless. Once again, barefoot, that means nange pav, that means shoeless. Next word is recognize, 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 that means पहचान लिया, that means identify. Once again, recognize, that means पहचान लिया, that means identify. Next word is overjoyed, Overjoyed, overjoyed means must, that means extremely happy. Once again, overjoyed, that means must, that means extremely happy. Next word is fetch, FETCH, fetch means lana, that means go for. Once again, fetch, that means lana, that means go for. Now the next word is robe, robe, that means labada, that means gown. Once again, robe, that means labada, that means gown. Now the next word is joyfully, Joyfully, fully, joyfully, that means khushi, that means happiness. Once again, joyfully, that means khushi, that means happiness. Next word is faithfully, Full, faithfully, that means imandari, that means honesty. Once again, faithfully, that means imandari, that means honesty. Now the next word is greeted, 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 that means badhai di, that means sign of welcome. Once again, greeted, that means badhai di, that means sign of welcome. Now the next word is ragged, 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 that means चिथड़ा लपेटा हुआ, that means old and torn. Once again, ragged, that means चिथड़ा लपेटा हुआ, that means old and torn. Next word is moment, 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 that means pal, a very short time. Once again, moment, that means pal, a very short time. Next word is deeply, 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 that means gehra, that means far down. Once again, deeply, that means gehra, that means far down. Next word is bitter, bitter means pidadayak, that means hurt. Once again, bitter means pidadayak, that means hurt. Next word is jealous, 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 that means Asia, that means showing envy of someone. Once again, jealous, that means Asia, that means showing envy of someone. Next word is gently, 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 that means dheere, that means slow. Once again, gently, that means dheere, that means slow. Now the next word is foolishness, 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 that means murkhta, that means stupidity. Once again, foolishness, that means murkhta, that means stupidity. Next word is wisdom, 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 that means buddhimani, that means intelligence. Once again, wisdom, that means buddhimani, that means intelligence. Now the next word is embraced, 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 that means gale laga liya, that means hug. Once again, embraced, that means gale laga liya, that means hug. Now the next word is rejoice, 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 that means anand, that means show great joy. Once again, rejoice, that means anand, that means show great joy. Okay student, thank you for today's class. Now this is your homework. You have to write and learn all the word meanings in your copy in beautiful writing, and you have to learn it also so that you can understand the lesson more clearly in the next video.